The standard sort and filter tools act directly on your data. This has two disadvantages. Firstly, you have to resort or filter each time you want to find out something different. And secondly, it makes collaboration problematic as the view of data changes for all users. This is where the filter views in Google Sheets come in handy. A filter view is a separate instance of the data that effectively sits on top of the dataset. Anyone viewing the data sees no change, but in the filter view, you can apply filters and change the sort order. The filter view can then be saved for future use. That's great for regular tasks. Here's my dataset. There's about 1,500 rows, so I need an efficient way of working with it. Another user has the data open at the same time. I'll create a new filter view and configure it to show first years taking the module Political Comment in Mills and Boon. Notice the change in the shading on the border to show I'm in filter view, and how the underlying dataset remains unaffected for the other user. So I can view this whenever I want. I'll name it Mills and Boon Year 1. When I've finished, I close it, but I can return to it whenever I want, and so can the other user. You can create several filter views. Here the other user is configuring one to show students taking Ajax development who scored 70 or more. This view will then become available to all users too.